We are pleased to show you the 2017 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.